Hi, taxpayers! In today's video, we will show you how to get a CRA Web Access Code. Before we begin, it's important to understand why a Web Access Code is needed. A Web Access Code is used by the CRA to securely authenticate and process your T2 corporate tax return when you filing online. To get started, open Netfile t2.taxtron.ca, and once it open, either you can create a new return or open an existing one. Once you have entered your business information, navigate to the Review and File section. Scroll down and select the option to electronically submit your return to the CRA. A prompt will then appear, asking whether you already have a web access code. If you already have a code, select Yes. Enter the code and continue with the filing process. If you do not have a code, select No and complete the required information displayed on the screen. Most of the required information will already be filled in automatically. You'll only need to enter your incorporation date, the issued date from your most recent notice of assessment, and complete either the Part 1 tax field or the total federal tax field. After entering the information, click Get Web Access Code. The system will then generate your 8-digit web access code on your screen, allowing you to proceed with electronically filing your T2 return. If a code is not generated successfully, there's no need to panic. You may contact the CRA or TaxTron support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.